It's supposed to be all year, we ain't get the memo.
What up YouTube, I'm back with another video. Now in this video, I'll be demonstrating how to do a mid-fade with the comb over. Of course the man, end up getting the hard part, but with no lineup, I guess the parents, they wanted to keep it all natural. Okay guys, now to start off this mid-fade, I'm going to use my wall cordless detailers to start off my first guideline. Okay guys, so once I created my first guideline, I am going to use my wall shavers to create another guideline beneath the previous line that I created. Okay guys, so once you're done balding out your client's head, you do want to grab one of your hitters, which are like the zero gap, and starting to get rid of that balding line. If you don't have any, I really do suggest you kind of mess around with the blade, so that way it can be much easier to get rid of this balding line. Okay guys, so the next step, what I did, I grabbed my 1.5 guard and with the close lever, and pretty much what I'm doing is creating another guideline. And when it comes to like comb overs, I always like to start off with the 1.5. Just the fact that it makes it much easier to do the clip over comb. Okay guys, so now I have the lever all the way open, and pretty much what I'm gonna do is create another guideline about 1/2 inch. Okay guys, so now I have the lever all the way closed, and pretty much what I'm doing is just kind of flicking out. I'm not really trying to create another guideline. I'm just trying to, just flicking out just little by little, and and you starting to see how the bottom line is starting to fade out. Okay guys, so now I'm using my 1/16 guard with an open lever. Now what I'm gonna do is kind of create another guideline, but at the same time it's also trying to soften out the 1.5. So once I'm done with that, I can come with the 1/8, and pretty much it will soften out that line that I left out with the 1/16 guard. Okay, so now I have the lever all the way closed, and pretty much what I'm doing is trying to get rid of that bottom line just by flicking out. Okay guys, so now I'm using my 1/8 guard, which is the number 1, with an open lever, and pretty much what I'm gonna do is kind of soften out that bottom line. Okay guys, so I did end up seeing some dark lines, and I did come back with a 1/16 guard to do a touch-up work. Okay guys, so before you start, do a clip over comb, you always want to make sure you kind of comb down the hair, so that way you can get like every hair. It makes it much easier to do the clip over comb. Now, when I started out with the 1.5, it just, like I said, I wanted to start with the 1.5 to make this clip over comb technique much easier. I'm only saying that because when you start out with the 1.5, and then you have your clipper with an open lever, with any comb that you have, it blends right into it. It blends right into the fade. So like I said, just working, doing little techniques here and there, doing a vertical, doing a horizontal, it blends right away, and like, as you can see how the fade's starting to come out. Okay guys, now I'm gonna apply some hair serum just to give it extra volume. Okay guys, so once you're done, applying any hair product, and you start combing down the hair, there might be some little hair sticking out. So what you want to do is do a clip over comb. Okay guys, well this is the final look, a mid fade with a comb over and the hard part. And of course, the parents didn't want their son to have a lineup. They wanted to keep it all natural. But anyways, you guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you guys have any comments, make sure to hit the comments down below. And all right, you guys, until next time.